Happy Thursday, everybody. Here are your morning announcements for Thursday, March the 3rd. All right, again, it's Thursday, March the 3rd, 2022, and here are your morning announcements. Mission of Westlake Middle School is to reveal the genius of each Wildcat through a culture of joy, respect, and excellence. Let's get Wildcat ready, everyone. Our winter coats and backpacks and purses are in our locker. There are no blankets here at West Lane. Hats are off, hoods are down, AirPods in our pockets, phones are in our lockers. That's how we get Wildcat ready. And if you choose to wear a face covering, you may. It is your own personal choice. Make sure you wear them correctly if you are wearing them. And also, they are now also optional on the bus. So mask up Wildcat if that's what you choose to do. All right, let's take a look at today's schedule. Today's advisory, periods 7 and 8, and then periods 1, 2, and 3. All right, congratulations. We are the champions. The 8th grade girls basketball team defeated Northview last night to become the Washington Township District champs. This one was a team effort that involved ferocious defense and clutch plays at key times. Make sure to tell the girls congratulations when you see them. We are the champions. Congratulations, Coach McGee and Coach Smith. And congratulations, 8th grade girls, for your win. All right, it is Women's History Month, honoring the contributions of women. All right, so our trivia time yesterday was gotten by Alyssa Ford, Miss Jackson's advisory, who is the first woman appointed to the Supreme Court in what year? That was Sandra Day O'Connor in 1981. And who was the second woman appointed to the Supreme Court in what year? And that was Ruth Bader Ginsburg in 1993. So Sandra Day O'Connor was the first woman justice to be in the Supreme Court. She was a judge from Arizona. Ruth Bader Ginsburg was appointed by Bill Clinton, who was a Democrat, in 1993. She was confirmed by a vote of 96-3. And Ketanji Brown Jackson is a nominee to be on the Supreme Court now by President Joe Biden. And so that is possibly the next woman to be on the Supreme Court. All right, so trivia time today. Who was the first woman in space? My 6th graders should know this. Every 6th grader should know this. Who was the first woman in space? And my 7th graders should know it too. You guys can look up things. Let's look at tutoring for this afternoon. For Thursday, March the 3rd, Teacher Salmon and Ms. Morris in 6th grade, Ms. Morris in 7th grade, and Ms. Jagle in 8th. Actually, we're going to cancel Ms. Jagle today for math. She is out today. All right, those are your tutoring opportunities for West Lane Middle School. All right, on time every time. That's Wildcat time. Let's make sure we are on time to class each period. 0 tardy between 2:14 and 3:14, sausage at lunch. And fewer than 2 tardies between 2:14 and 3:14, treats at lunch on 3:18. On time every time. That's Wildcat time. And don't forget hall sweeps. First offense is detention. Second offense is redirection. We will have our detention, by the way, next Wednesday. Third offense is Saturday school, and fourth offense is parent shadow. Remember our IXL drawings, and those drawings will be out. I will be calling those students down who get selected for the pizza party. And then for March, let me tell you something. For March, so we have 2 Mondays between now and St. Patrick's Day. So what's going to happen is everybody who is diagnosed in both on by St. Patrick's Day, we're going to call you down in the cafetorium. We're going to have you pick out a shamrock, okay? And the shamrock will have a number on it. The shamrock, and then we will have a drawings. So we will draw approximately 50 drawings. Might be some treats. There might be some different kind of rewards, but for a lucky 5 of you, there will just be a $20 bill attached to your shamrock. And so that's what we will be doing for March. And so if you're, again, diagnosed by March the 17th, that's what we want to have happen. So you've got 2 Mondays to have time to make that happen between now and then, but also you can also work on Diagnostic IXL at any time when you're at home as well. So let's get diagnosed Wildcats in both. And a lot of you are very close. A lot of you are already diagnosed. We're looking to just get levels, because those of you who have been diagnosed actually have already raised your level up by half a grade level already, and that's very impressive. All right, Roarbucks. You can purchase items with your Roarbucks and the bookstore at lunch. Don't forget, I gave a shout out, Peacock Point of Pride, to Miss McGee's period 1. You did a great job on your constructed response the other day. Nice job, period 1, Miss McGee. When a teacher says, Wildcats, just do it. All food should be in the cafetorium. No food should be eaten outside the cafetorium. Speaking of food, we're unable to heat up or food or cook food for students. Students, all restroom passes out of the period are 5 minutes or less. Students, you need your ID at all times, especially in the cafeteria. And all cell phones in your locker between 9:15 and 4:20. They'll be taken if they're seen or heard. Right after this is advisory and period. I'm sorry, sixth grade, your circle of power and respect. Seventh grade, circle of power and respect, and eighth grade, structured play activity. Don't forget, every Wildcat every day gets better. That's our motto. Have a great Thursday, everyone.